Hey everyone, I'm extremely excited to be doing a video of this 2020 Ford F-550 chassis cab with our Elite 60. I'm calling this truck the Blue Armadillo. Kelderman front bumper with the Commander grill guard, rigid lights, 16.5 winch with the synthetic rope. You got the 12-tire door and tire monitoring system, ATTA fuel tank, got the gauge, and then the tire monitoring system here inside the cab. We've got the Kelderman controls here on the dash. This has a Kelderman air ride on the rear. Amp research steps, flip down steps. A little bit different than the stainless steel flip down steps that we offer. There's a 114-gallon fuel tank painted to match. Rigid lighting, work lights on the rear. Full right Super Glide hitch. Custom rear bumper that we've been doing. We've had a lot of requests to have that made for people's truck, for customer trucks. Put the Z-Bart bed liner spray there on the top. Protect it when you're stepping to get in there. You can step on this area if you want to, and the rest of it's painted to match. Rigid lights in the bumper. Got an Anderson plug there. This customer has a setup that you can plug into that for jumper cables, so that comes directly from the batteries in the front with 2-gauge wire. Another flip down step on this side. You can see the nice body line of that fuel tank matches our body there. Just blends away being painted like that. Looks really good. You got another Anderson plug here at the front, so either way you can plug into that, have a set of jumper cables ready to go. Rigid lights. It's really cool. Ford started offering these built-in strobe lights. You can get that as an option with these trucks. Wired to the auxiliary switch, one on each side on the hood. And then if you look really close at the back here by the third brake light, we've actually made our light pylon a little wider there, the notch out for the additional strobes on each side there. So yeah, that's the Blue Armadillo 2020 Ford F-550. We're just finishing up the build on this truck. Let me know what you think of this truck in the comments. I appreciate you guys' feedback. So thanks for viewing the video, and you know who to contact at the Bodywerks. Thanks.